Citrus and tropical plants thrive outdoors, especially in warmer climates. In cooler climates, where winters are harsh, it's critical to transfer your tropical plants indoors. Thankfully, the process is relatively simple, and we're going to learn about it today on Potting and Planting with FastGrowingTrees.com. Just like you need to wait for temperatures to stay above 50 degrees at night before transferring your plants outdoors, it's important to begin transitioning your plant indoors when overnight temperatures begin to fall below 50 degrees. Before moving your plant indoors, check its leaves and soil for pests. Spray the plant down with an insecticidal soap. In the event you don't find any bugs, it's still not a bad idea to wash your plant with water from a gardening hose. After you've cleaned your plant, it's time to move it indoors. Now, just like we ease the transitioning process going outside, we'll make this return to the indoors easier on the plant by placing it near a large south-facing window to ensure it's receiving enough sunlight. It's not a bad idea to add a humidifier to your room as well to help in the transitioning process. If you don't have a humidifier, be sure to mist your plant daily. As your plant is preparing for slower growth in the winter, steadily ease back on water and fertilizer. While this is a gradual transition for your plant, and it can reduce stress, they can still take some time to acclimate to their new environment. It's not uncommon to see your plant drop a few leaves. If your plant is otherwise healthy, don't worry. That's all for today's episode of Potting and Planting with FastGrowingTrees.com. If you guys have any questions about transitioning your plants, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more potting and planting videos just like this.